Okay, so I thought I'd do an update on the E90 about the ticking problem. If you guys remember what the story of this car is, this came to me several months ago, and it was all taken apart. So the valve cover was off, everything was just in a hell of a mess, and it had a ticking issue. And I don't remember the details of it anymore. I think the shop wanted $1,500 or $2,000 or maybe more to fix it. And so we went ahead and replaced the camshafts and replaced the exhaust camshaft. It was all eaten up. The bearing caps were all eaten up. We replaced the exhaust lifters with the upgraded. So it would be late 2008 and after they had the upgraded set. And that's actually what fixed it. And you know, we tried the thinner oil. Thinner oil just makes it worse. We tried the engine flush. That did get a lot of the crap out of the engine, but overall, I mean, it just, you know, it wasn't what the problem was, and there was no info on it anywhere. Nobody knows anything about this, it seems like, and it seems like it's a very common issue. And so yeah, the fix ended up being that, and it cost, we put a new center shaft sensor in it. So the cost is around $500, like $4 and some change for all the parts. Without that, it was around $200. We did buy used camshaft and used lifters and cam box. We need the box also, and off eBay. So, and usually most of the time you get a post 2008, they don't have this issue. They can still have the issue, but make sure before you buy it, they have good pictures of the cam bearing journals and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. It doesn't tick at all now. It sounds really good. Haven't had any issues from that in a very long time. So yeah, let's go ahead and start it up. Here we are, nice cold start. Sounds perfectly normal. Starting to get a little bit of a belt sharp. I think we're gonna go ahead and do the pulleys and the belt, and just to make sure. We'll also have a control arm video coming up for these E90s. This one is all-wheel drive model, so it'll be for the XI, X-Drive models. We'll also check the water pump too. See if we can't get some insight on when the last time the water pump was done. This car has 148,000 miles on it. And so if it's never had it, we're skating with death here. So we gotta make sure before we have an issue, we're gonna figure out if it's been done or not and what the date on it was. Previous owner did not do it, so I'm thinking it's never been done, which means it's way overdue. I would say, other than that, if you guys are interested, and you saw my last videos where we pulled the Chevy Venture van in, the Buick, Century, need the alternator, my Sequoia videos, Toyota Sequoia videos. If you guys are interested on any of that stuff, I'm not putting that on this channel. I'm putting on my third channel, Nathan's DIY World. And I'm thinking about, the link will be in the description for that, by the way. So go check that out. Think about changing the name to that channel. That channel is doing pretty good since I never hardly post on it. It has over 1,000 subscribers, and some of the videos get really good views. And you know, I don't know, thought about doing something different with that. I thought about letting it go and not doing anything with it. Then it started getting views and stayed monetized. So maybe we'll do something with it. I'm not sure. Let me know in the description, or let me know in the comments, I should say. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.